Hello, sir. I just wanted to say thank you for being my teacher this past year and for guiding me towards the right path of life. I know it is not easy being a teacher, especially with this whole pandemic situation, so I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate all of the hard work that you have put in to guide us to having a bright future. From the experience I have gained on this past year, I could clearly say that your demonstrations on topics regarding the subject was very good. And also, thank you for inspiring us for the exam on every single class without missing out. Overall, thank you for this wonderful year. I am your dear student Hasit, signing off.
Hello, my name is 𝘸𝘸𝘸𝘍𝘍. My school is 𝑀.𝑆𝑐. Today, I would express my thankfulness to you for your wonderful lesson in the class. I also want to thank you so much for your great assistance to students like me. I thank new concept which are introduced in the class like as a quiz. It I like it most. It was very interesting. So your teaching are very perfect. I like the way you teach for us. And these are difficult times, but I was very happy to see the positive attitudes that you displayed. Sometimes ICT is very difficult for us, but thought it well. I can remember those things very well. Uh, we did question papers, so many question papers, and I got a lot of knowledge from it. I made up for my shortcomings with question papers. And the last, thank you again for all you have done. Thank you.
Dear Sir, first of all, I want to express my sincere gratitude for all the efforts you have taken during this academic year. From day one, I have learned so many things from your classes, and each and every minute you have motivated us to face for A levels. I really like the way you teach us ICT. It is so interesting. In previous day before attending your class, I really ignored ICT which is taught for me. But now I really like ICT. However, by making lessons innovative, you not only help me in getting good scores in ICT, but also in developing a keen liking for the subject. I also thank you for encouraging us to face to A level without unnecessary stress. I thank you again for all the wonderful work you have done and wish you all the best for your future. I am your faithful student 𝐺𝘼𝙎𝘍𝘍 of 𝑠𝑎පුගස්කන්ධ විශාඛා බාලිකා විද්‍යාලය. Thank you.
Dear Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for being a good teacher in my life. In this pandemic situation, the whole world faced so many difficulties. In case of this, we also got so many problems for our studies too. I also had doubts when I started my A levels to face IT paper properly. But after met you, I was very confident to face IT paper better than previous. Because when I was starting my A levels, I was not very satisfied with ICT subject. When we consider about other subjects, ICT is very important to get the highest result score. So, sir, your teaching pattern is very unique and very interesting. You taught us the way we have to answer a complex question. So now, as good students, the only thing we have to do is study well and achieve good results. All the credits will go to you because you taught us every single step when we asked from you. Once you had to face difficult situations in your life, but anyhow you taught us. Sometimes I also made you in troubles by asking time for a class. but you always answered positively. So, sir, you are a very responsible, good and humble person. When you are teaching, the steps you followed, methods you used to solve the questions, theory parts all are very clear. We were not missed anything. Our responsibility is to give you the highest pleasure by achieving good results. So finally, I would like to tell you that we are glad to being the students of US because I know that you are a great ICT teacher. Finally, I would like to end up this with some ICT words. You are a multitasking, real-time operating system in our hearts. Thank you so much for your dedication towards us. Thank you.
The ඔක්කොම එනවා 2 to the power 12. We make up 4 කියන එකත් 2 වලින් ලිව්වොත් 2 to the power 2. ඒතර මේක සමාන වෙනවා 2 to the power 32. Right. දෙකම තියෙන bytes වල. Right. එතකොට මම මේ ප්‍රශ්නෙට උත්තරේ හොයනවා නෙමෙයි කෙලින්ම. මේ logical space එකේ address space එකේ addresses වලට address හදන්න මේ space එකේ bits කීයක් ඕනද? bits කීයක් ඕනද addresses වලට කියලා අහුවොත් කෙලින්ම 32 bits. කියලා අහුවොත් කෙලින්ම 32 bits. right. ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්න මොකක්ද? number of frames. Frames කොහෙද තියෙන ළම? logical space එකේද physical space එකේද? physical space එකේ. ඒතර මේ memory මේ address bus එකේ right bits කීයක් represent කරනවාද කියලා අහුවත් ඒත් මේ උත්තරේම තමයි 32 bits. right අපි දැන් හොයමු frame size මේක හොයන්න ඕනේ. ඒකේ offset එකට එන bits ගන්න කීයද? ඒක bits ගන්න තමයි 26. මේ 2 to the power එකට එන ගන්න තමයි ගන්න. 26 bits on සම්පූර්ණයෙන්. ඒකෙන් 12ක offset එක.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home. Forever we will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their craft to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. As I look back on my life and to the path within my reach, I hope I can change the life of those that I teach. I can make a difference. All I do is try to see a different world through the children's eyes. And I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. I will always be there in everything I do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you.